Hello, teacher.
Hello, Boo Boo. How are you, Boo Boo?
I'm good.
All right. Okay. Just woke up, Boo? Because your hair is
Well,
so messy. Just woke up? Because your hair
mm,
is so messy.
okay.
Okay. And um, do you have any assignment?
No,
Yes? Do we have any assignment?
I don't know assignments.
Mm-hmm. Yes, we don't have any assignment. Okay, now I will share my screen and we're gonna continue this one. Okay, can you see my screen, Boo?
Yes.
Okay, now we are done with this one, right? And now let's proceed
Yes.
to the next page. All right. Now, are you familiar with all of this? Boo? Are you familiar
Yes.
with all of this?
Yeah.
Okay, now, can you explain it to me, the first picture?
Uh, skin
Skin. Okay, now, can you please tell me, what animal is this?
is elephant.
Okay, very good. It's elephant. Okay, and uh, mhm. And now next is mammals.
Mammal.
Okay, do
Mammal.
you know what is mammals?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, what is it? Can you explain it to me? Let's have a review. Mammals is
Mammal. Mammal is have animal don't have egg
don't have egg and it can
and
produce it can produce egg, right? It can produce egg, right?
a
It can produce
mammal
milk.
baby is
Yes. Mm. Mamas, it can produce milk from their babies. Okay, how about give me some example of mammals, animals.
zebra,
Zebra.
human,
What else?
dog,
What else?
cat,
Okay. What?
cat,
Hot? What's that?
cat,
A cat. Yes, the cat. All right. What else?
uh, zebra,
Zebra. Okay, now that is the example of mammals, animals. The animal can produce milk from their baby. Kangaroo, horse, um, a carabao, mhm, goat. That is the example of mammals. Dog. Okay, animals that can produce milk from their babies.
wait,
Next picture is
egg,
eggs. Okay, give me some animals that can produce eggs.
but egg, is have a chicken,
All right, very good. Egg. What else?
chicken, bird,
And chicken, bird. Very good. How about next is amphibians. Okay.
amphibian, have
Uh,
a crocodile, frog,
All right. Animal that can live in water
water, and uh,
and land.
have
Animals that can live in water and land. All right, very good. N- Now, give me some example of amphibians animals.
have a frog, have a
Frog,
crocodile,
crocodile,
turtle,
turtle. All right,
crab,
very. Frog. Okay, very good. That is the example of amphibian animals. Next is
Scale.
scales. Okay, what is scales?
Scale have a snake,
Mm-hmm.
frog,
And all right, what else?
fish,
Fish. All right, very good. That is the example of animals that has scales. How about next one is
give.
gills. Okay, what is it? The gills.
Give have a fish,
Mm-hmm.
shark,
Uh-huh.
elephant,
All right. Okay. Mm-hmm. Give me some animals that have gills. That has a gills.
fish.
Fish. Okay, why is it fish has a gills? Because
Because a skill have fish in the water.
okay, because
Live
the
in the
fish
water.
yes, breathe in the water. Gills is the body parts of fish that can breathe to the water. All right, that is what you called gills. Very good. Now it's next one is give me some
Uh,
of
Fish
animal
have a
has a
bird,
feathers. Yes,
parrot,
very good.
owl,
Mm-hmm. All very good. Next one is
uh,
wings.
wing have a bird,
Mm-hmm. Bird.
uh,
What else?
bird, parrot,
Mm-hmm.
uh,
Parrots. Mm-hmm. How about eagle? The
eagle,
chicken. There's a wings, right?
seabird,
Mm-hmm. All right. That is the animal that have a wings. How about fur? Mm-hmm.
frog have a lion,
Lion. What
uh,
else?
mm,
What else?
tiger,
Tiger. What else?
um, uh,
Hmm? What
zebra,
else? Zebra. Okay. And what else? How about the dog?
um,
There's a fear, right? The dog
yes,
has a fear. The cat. Okay. That is the example of animal that has fear. Okay. Now let's proceed in this one. I want you to think this one. Before you read, I want you to think, what do you know about fish? Do you like frogs? Why and why not? What do you know about fish, Boo?
what,
Hmm.
what,
What do you know about fish?
fish, oh, okay. Fish have a gill, two, um, have a scale
Hmm.
and eye,
Hmm.
mouth, tail,
Uh-huh.
body,
All
and have
right.
a
And
mhm,
there's a
have a
tail.
uh,
Hmm. Okay, it's correct. There's a gills, scales. They can live in water. There's a tail. How about frogs? Do you like frogs?
no,
Why?
I don't like frogs.
Why? Why don't you like frogs?
But I don't like.
All right. Okay. Hmm? Now let's proceed in letter C. Okay, I want you to read this one. Bubu.
To everything we tell how they are the same honeybee and but have wings.
And to contrast, bo, to contrast.
The contrast things
Mhm.
we tell how they are
They are
different.
different.
Honeybee make we will but
Hives.
make tell.
Okay. Compare and contrast is compare is the things how how they are the same. Okay. How they are the same. While the contrast is how they are different. Okay. They are different. Okay. They are the same. Compare is the same. Okay. Okay, one more time. Compare is the same. Contrast is different. Okay? Like this one,
Okay,
honey and birds both have wings. It's compare because they are the same. While the contrast is they are different. Example, honeybees make hives and birds make nests. Okay? It's
okay,
am I clear?
yes.
All right. Now, I want you to answer this one, but before you answer the activity, I want you to
My and
what's the same and what's
hamster.
the difference. You can
That's
start.
what different check. Okay. Nice and hamster are brown mammals. They have four legs and run fast. Hamster live inside and mice usually have outside pop animal or small.
All right. Okay. Now, I want you to answer this one. Okay. And you can base your answer here on what you read. Okay. Now, I want you to answer this one right now. You can start now.
Okay. Crossing romantic. Okay, here. Okay. For legs. Wait. Okay. Inside or outside?
Mm-hmm.
Outside. Outside. Outside.
Mm-hmm.
Outside. Different. Big or small?
Mm-hmm.
It's small.
All right. Okay. Let's check if you get the correct answer. Okay. Mice and hamster is the same. Have, or has, fair. All right. How about four legs? Okay. It's four legs. Okay. How about in or outside? It's different.
Outside.
Very good. Big or small? Mm-hmm. The same. They are both
I
small.
don't know.
Okay, it's wrong. Your first answer is different. Okay, you got only 4/4.
I don't know
Okay.
difference.
Mm-hmm. This one, okay. Same is the same. Same that they have four fur, four legs, and run. Different is not the same. It's different. Okay? Same is the same. Mhm. The same that there's a four legs, there are run faster, they have fur. Okay? That is the meaning of same. And the meaning of different is they live in inside and outside. Okay? Hamster can live inside. The hamster can live inside. And the mice will live outside. That's why it's different because they are different. But the size, both animals are small. That's why the answer is same because mice and hamster is both animals are small. Am I clear now, Bubo?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, what is the meaning of same again? Same is
Same from fallen.
mhm. What else? Okay.
Same from fallen. Big or small.
All right. Okay.
Different is oh
Different
sa-
is different, just like
is
just like me and you. Okay? We are different because you're a boy and I'm a girl. Okay? We are
okay.
different because Mubu is a boy and me is a girl.
Okay, and now
How about same? What are the same with us right now? We are the same learning English subject. Okay? Our
uh,
same today is we are the same learning English subject. Okay, am I clear now? Did you
yes.
understand very well?
Okay.
Okay, now I want you to read this one. Okay, wait for a while. Let's proceed to the next page. All right. Okay, now we are here in Amazing Animals. But before you read this one, I want you to listen the story first.
Amazing animals.
Can you hear the sound?
Yes.
Okay, that's
All
good.
animals can breathe and move, but they're different in many amazing ways. Here we look at how they are the same and how they are different. This helps us put them into groups. Birds. All birds have two legs, two wings, and feathers, and most birds can fly. The wings and feathers help them fly, and the feathers help keep them warm. Birds lay eggs with hard shells. They keep the baby birds inside safe from animals that want to eat them. Fish. Fish have gills to help them breathe in water. Scales all over their bodies help keep them safe from dangerous fish that want to bite them. They don't have legs, but their fins and tails help them swim. Fish lay their eggs in water, and their eggs are soft. Amphibians. Amphibians are very interesting because they can live on land and in water. Amphibians need to have wet skin, so they live in wet places. They lay their soft eggs in water. They have gills when they're young, and the gills help them to breathe in water. Most amphibians, like frogs, have legs that help them walk and jump on land. Mammals. Some mammals live on land and some live in water. Whales are water mammals, and cats, rabbits, and lions are land mammals. Hair or fur covers most land mammals' bodies, and this helps keep them warm. People are mammals too. Mammals don't lay eggs. Their babies drink milk from their mothers.
All right. Okay, now, Boo, I want you to read the title now. Amazing.
Okay. An animal can breathe and move, but they are different in many amazing
Ways. Amazing ways.
here where we look at how they are the same and how they are different. It have a but them interrupt
Mm-hmm. Okay, you can start with birds. Birds.
on
All
both
birds.
have two legs, two wings and feathers.
And
The and most birds can fly. The
and
wing and feather have them fly
fly
and the
and
feather have
feathers.
give them one bird
One.
like leg with herself. They keep the baby bird inside self from animal. What want to eat them?
Okay, can you please encircle where is the wings? Wings of the bird. Can you please encircle?
What
Okay, can you please encircle where is the wings of the bird? Because all birds have two legs, only two legs. There's a wings, two wings, and feathers. Okay, can you please encircle, Boo Boo? Where is the two legs of bird and the wings? Mm-hmm.
was
Okay, that's right. That is the two legs. How about the wings? Where is the wings of the bird? Okay, the feather. The feathers. Okay, that was so great. And birds can what? Lay eggs. Okay? Birds can lay eggs. Now let's proceed in fish. Okay, can you please read?
Fresh, fresh have give to hit them bread in water scale
Mm-hmm.
on over their body head keep themselves for dangerous. Fish one does want to be
Bite.
by them by
Mm-hmm.
them. They don't have legs but their fins and tail have them. Swimfish lay their egg in water, and their eggs
Eggs.
are soft.
Okay, now, Bo, how are the fish different from birds?
What?
How are fish different from birds?
Fish don't have wings.
All right, very good. Fish don't have wings. Okay, but there's a
Have a
w-
fin.
yes, very good. Have a fins. Okay, and this one, this part is what do you call in this part?
It's gill,
Gills.
and
Okay,
fish
and the
have gill
scales
to live
and
in the water.
yes,
And
very good. Bird can.
bird and fish have uh same have a tail. It's same
Mm-hmm. Okay, very good. Oh, are you sure the bird has a tail?
tail. He
That is not a tail. It's
what?
just a feather. That is not a tail. It's a feather.
No, it's tail. Tail.
Mm. No, that is not a tail. Bird, mm, it's a feather. Okay? It's feather, not tails. Okay? Am I clear?
Okay.
Okay. How about the fish and the bird? Is it same or different?
It's same is have eye.
Yes, they have an eye. All right, very good. Okay, is it the same or different? It's it's different because Because what? Why is it different? Because
Because bird is can fly and bird live in the sky and fish live in the water.
all right, very good. Okay, let's have a break first, Boo. And we will continue this one at 10:30. Okay, see you later.